Switching from Tracfone to Google Fi requires two key pieces of information from Tracfone: your account number and a transfer PIN. The account number is actually the ICCID, a 19 to 22 digit number printed on your Tracfone SIM card. Think of it as your SIM's ID. The transfer PIN is a one-time code you'll get from Tracfone to authorize the number transfer, similar to a password. Without these, Google Fi can't port your number. Make sure your Tracfone number is active and not suspended before you start. Also, the transfer PIN is only valid for a short period, typically 30 days, so get it when you're ready to switch. Contact Tracfone support via their app, website, or by calling 1-800-867-7183 to request your account number, which is the ICCID, and transfer PIN. Have your identification ready for security purposes. Next, sign up for Google Fi through their app or website. When prompted, select Transfer an existing number and enter your Tracfone phone number, account number, which is the ICCID, and transfer PIN. Google Fi might ask for additional verification details, like your billing address. Once submitted, the porting process will start, and you'll receive updates via email or SMS. Activation usually takes 1 to 2 days. After the transfer is complete, cancel your Tracfone plan to avoid being double billed. A common pitfall is an expired PIN, so make sure to use it promptly. Also, double-check that you've entered the ICCID correctly. Google Fi's system usually validates these details before submission, but it's always good to be sure.